Hey guys, the ice melted, so I'm gonna try fishing. I'm kind of bored with myself. Hunting season's over. Kind of wet and miserable to do much of anything. And then the ice melted, so you can't ice fish. So we're gonna try our luck fishing from the bank, even though we probably can't reach where the fish are at. But we hiked out here, it's a nice day. And we'll see. I got some leftover minnows from ice fishing. So I got nothing better to do but throw them out. Let's see what happens. Minnow's really bumping that bobber around. He's really small, so I don't know if something's chasing him or what, but the water's just so low, you know, but maybe I could walk out there a little bit and switch it up and make him go to the bottom. So this is a shallow pond, so I'm just using a bobber, and I got him out probably 2 feet. And yeah, I should be fishing the bottom, but I'm thinking he will float himself out to where I want to be fishing. Well, that was a bust. Just not the right time of year yet to fish. It's too cold. Even the minnows were barely moving once they got in the cold water. But at least I got them, dumped them out in the pond. And yeah, I'm bored. So, but if you guys have any recommendations on what to use or time of day when it's cold but no ice, because I haven't figured it out yet. But once it warms up and the action picks up, I'll make a better fishing video where we actually catch fish. Catch fish. Catch fish. Catch fish. I tried a little plastic, soft plastic. Tried a little soft plastic swim bait, but nah. Even the minnows, the water's so cold, they just don't even move. But as soon as it picks up, I will make a good fishing video. where we actually catch fish. We can cook it up too. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations for catching fish this time of year when there's no ice but it's still frigid, when there's no ice but it's still cold, please let me know, because I haven't figured it out. But thanks for watching. See you next time.